Introducing the 13-amp 1950 psi vertical electric pressure washer from Greenworks Tools. The powerful induction motor allows you to take on any stain with 1,950 pounds per square inch of water pressure, flowing at a rate of 1.2 gallons per minute. Clean out those hard-to-reach places thanks to the 25-foot long hose and 35-foot GFI electric cable. With a professional quick connect wand, easily switch between the turbo tip for higher pressure on tough jobs and the 25-degree, 40-degree, and soap quick connect nozzles. Fill in the detergent tank with soap formulated for pressure washers to wash away tough stains and dirt. The 20-foot non-marring hose prevents scuff marks, resists wear and tear, and makes it easy to move around while cleaning. Operate the washer in either the vertical or horizontal position. The power cord, spray gun, nozzle, and wand are conveniently stored on board the unit. Easily transport the washer with its large wheels. With a 1-year warranty and a certification from the Pressure Washer Manufacturers Association, the 13-amp 1950 psi vertical pressure washer from Greenworks Tools promises to deliver when and where it counts.
Meet Nest Protect. It's designed with advanced technology to sense smoke and carbon monoxide. Can give you an early warning before an alarm.
Heads up, there's smoke in the kitchen.
And if you know everything's okay, you don't have to run around trying to quiet it down. Just hush it from your phone.
Smoke alarm silenced.
Nest Protect tells you where the danger is, so you know what to do and where to go.
Emergency. There's carbon monoxide in the living room. Move to fresh air.
And it can send an alert, so you know what's going on, even if you're not home.
The carbon monoxide alarm is over.
At night, it lights your way and shows you it's tested its batteries and everything's okay, so everyone can sleep safe and sound. Nest Protect. It's time to know more and work.
Skiing, I like to stay connected, and there's only one way to ensure I don't lose my iPhone on the mountain. I use Highline. Here's how it works. Put your iPhone into the Highline case. Attach the leash, then attach the lightning lock. Now you can use your iPhone with no worries about losing it off the lift or anywhere else. To detach the leash, simply lift up on the tab. The slim case is made of impact-resistant polycarbonate and textured for an improved grip. The leash is made with braided Kevlar, meaning it's thin but tough. And it stretches, so you can easily access your iPhone, letting you take calls, check in with your friends, record video, and of course take selfies, all with your iPhone still safely attached. Whether you're skiing, fishing, traveling, rock climbing, or just playing with your kids, make sure your phone stays with you using Highline. Highline from Canoe, the makers of Airframe Plus and Stance.
The easy-to-use control panel activates 120 soothing air bubbles for a refreshing massage. The heating system adjusts to fit your personal temperature preference, up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Pure Spa is built with puncture-resistant 3-ply laminated material, which is enhanced with lightweight, high-strength fibers for amazing durability and comfort. Introducing innovative patented fiber tech construction, designed to offer superior structural stability while maintaining a comfortable surface for a luxurious and refreshing spa experience, unlike conventional inflatable spas. Pure Spa comes with an advanced electronic hard water treatment system. Hard water causes buildups in the heater coils, pipes, and filter pumps, which significantly reduces heating and filtration capabilities. By treating the hard water, you can increase efficiency and lifespan of your Pure Spa. Additionally, softer water is gentler on your skin and swimwear, making your spa experience more enjoyable. Pure Spa requires only simple maintenance with easy-to-replace filter cartridges.